Hi there, Mike Rempel here from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to talk about data validation lists, drop-down lists, but dynamic ones so that one drop-down list controls the results or the options available in another drop-down list. So here's an example. We have categories: candy, fruit, and miscellaneous. Those are our three categories, and within each category, candy has 4 items, fruit 4, and miscellaneous has 5. I want to create a drop-down list under category here so that depending which one of these I choose, the items that appear in this drop-down list will only be limited to those that are under that category. First thing we need to do is name our ranges. I want to name this range categories, that candy, fruit, miscellaneous. One way to do that is to highlight the area and go to the name box and name it. But when you're doing a bunch at once, what you can do is highlight the whole group, go to your formulas, and create from selection in the define names. Here I just have a top row, not a left column. I say OK, and now if I choose one of these, notice categories is named there, candy's name there, etc. Now I want to insert my data validation. Go to my Data tab of the ribbon, select Data Validation. It's going to be a list, and my source is going to use the ever famous equals indirect, and the what I'm going to insert here is categories, the name in quotes, the name of the list that I have. I click OK, and now I have a drop-down list, and I have candy, fruit, and miscellaneous. Clicking on that certainly doesn't do anything yet, but now in this column or in this cell under the item heading, I'm going to select data validation again, choose list, and in my source again equals indirect, and I'm just going to reference that cell, close parentheses, hit enter, and now I have a drop-down list of those items. So here if I choose fruit, the only items that pop up, apples, peaches, oranges. If I select candy, in this box the drop-down list will only show those items for candy. So again, very simple, using data validation and the indirect function to have a dynamic a drop-down list based on the results of another drop-down list or another data validation list. And I hope that's useful to you. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you'd like to see more, please go to excel-bytes.com and feel free to subscribe to my blog post. Happy excelling!